Nigeria stands at a turning point, and for our small and medium-sized businesses, the message is clear. Our future is made in Nigeria. At a recent strategic meeting held in Benin City, NASENI, the National Agency for Science and Engineering Infrastructure, brought together manufacturers, researchers, and policymakers to chart a path forward for locally made products. Edo State, now a fast-rising industrial hub, hosted the event. From cement factories to a cassava-powered ethanol plant, the state is proving that homegrown industry works. Research must meet the market. Universities and industries must work together, and our youth need practical, technical skills to drive innovation.
Accountants, when the administrative sector, accountants are there, marketers are there, managers are surplus. But when you now come to artisans, to the technical skills at the lower level, all that you people are producing for us are BSc, and the BSc is not in there. We need these people with technical skills. You don't know carpenters anymore, no mechanics anymore, no electricians anymore, no battery chargers anymore, no welders anymore. In our factory right now, the man running one of our departments is over 60 years. He's been in that employment for at least 25 years. We've gone to Ondo to go to recruit refrigeration technicians who couldn't see. We've gone to Lagos, they couldn't come to Benin. We've gone to everywhere, couldn't get them. Now, only one person doing the work of 10 men. Nobody. They don't want to work. The ones who have, you employ an apprentice, they ought to pay. They're supposed to be paid to be trained. But we pay them 40,000 naira every month. Yet they don't come to work. If you're using telephone to call them.
But SMEs across Nigeria are still facing real challenges: poor power supply, limited access to finance, outdated machinery, and consumer doubt about locally made goods. The experts called for policies that make sense, tax breaks for manufacturers, and strong quality standards so Nigerian products can compete globally.